Hi, in this video we will talk about that. 8 herbs to protect eyes and repair vision. Herbs typically refer to plants or plant parts, such as leaves, flowers, roots, or seeds, that are used for culinary, medicinal, or aromatic purposes. They are valued for their various properties, including flavor enhancement in cooking, therapeutic benefits in traditional medicine, and fragrance in perfumes and cosmetics. Our eyes are constantly bombarded with screens, artificial lights, and environmental pollutants, leading to strain and potential damage. We would focus on herbs known for their potential to support eye health and potentially improve vision. These could include herbs with antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and circulation-boosting properties that may benefit the eyes. Number 1. Saffron. Rich in antioxidants, saffron contains compounds like crocin, crocetine, and saffronal, which are powerful antioxidants. These antioxidants help protect the eyes from oxidative stress caused by free radicals, which can damage cells and contribute to age-related eye conditions. Protects retinal cells. The compounds in saffron may help protect retinal cells from damage caused by factors like oxidative stress and inflammation. This protective effect could potentially slow down the degeneration of retinal cells and preserve vision over time. Improves blood flow to the retina. Saffron has been shown to improve blood flow to the retina, the light-sensitive tissue at the back of the eye. Better blood circulation can ensure that the retina receives an adequate supply of oxygen and nutrients, supporting overall eye health and function. Number 2. Turmeric. Potential for macular degeneration. Some studies suggest that curcumin may have protective effects against age-related macular degeneration, AMD, a leading cause of vision loss in older adults. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties may help reduce the risk of AMD or slow down its progression by protecting the retina from damage. Supports overall eye health. Turmeric's multifaceted benefits, including its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and circulation-enhancing properties, make it a valuable herb for supporting overall eye health. Regular consumption of turmeric may help reduce the risk of various eye conditions and promote clear vision. Number 3. Rosemary. Anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is implicated in various eye diseases, including cataracts, glaucoma, and age-related macular degeneration, AMD. Rosemary's anti-inflammatory compounds may help alleviate inflammation in the eyes, potentially slowing down the progression of these conditions and preserving vision. Stress reduction. Chronic stress can have adverse effects on eye health and vision. Rosemary is known for its calming aroma and potential stress-reducing effects, which may indirectly benefit eye health by helping to alleviate stress-related symptoms and promote relaxation. Number 4. Dandelion. Dandelion is a nutrient-rich herb known for its potential health benefits, including liver support, digestive aid, and diuretic properties. While there's limited direct evidence linking dandelion to eye health, its nutritional content and potential systemic effects may indirectly contribute to maintaining overall eye health. Dandelion is rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, and various B vitamins, which play essential roles in eye health and function. Its antioxidant properties may help protect against oxidative stress and cellular damage in the eyes, although more research is needed to confirm this. Number 5. Fennel. Fennel is a versatile herb with various culinary and medicinal uses, and while it's not typically associated with direct benefits for eye health or vision repair, it does offer certain nutritional properties that may Indirectly support overall eye health. Rich in nutrients, fennel is a good source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are important for overall health, including eye health. It contains vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, and fiber, among other nutrients, which play essential roles in maintaining healthy vision and supporting the overall function of the eyes. Number 6. Ginkgo biloba. Improved blood circulation. Ginkgo biloba is believed to enhance blood flow, including microcirculation, throughout the body, including the eyes. Improved blood circulation ensures that the eyes receive an adequate supply of oxygen and nutrients, supporting overall eye health and function. Neuroprotective effects. Some research suggests that Ginkgo biloba may have neuroprotective effects, including within the visual system, by protecting nerve cells in the retina and optic nerve from damage. Ginkgo biloba may help maintain healthy vision and support visual function. Number 7. Bilberry. Rich in antioxidants, bilberries are packed with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that give the berries their deep blue color. These antioxidants help protect the eyes from oxidative stress caused by free radicals, which can damage cells and contribute to age-related eye conditions like macular degeneration and cataracts. Enhances night vision. Bilberry has a long-standing reputation for improving night vision and adjusting to changes in light. While the exact mechanism is not fully understood, it is believed that the anthocyanins in bilberries may improve the function of the photoreceptor cells in the retina, leading to enhanced vision in low light conditions. Number 8. Chamomile. Potential for eye irritation relief. Chamomile's gentle nature makes it suitable for use in eye compresses or washes to soothe minor eye irritation or discomfort. Chamomile tea bags, when cooled, can be placed over closed eyes for a few minutes to provide relief from symptoms like redness, itching, or puffiness. Overall wellness support. While chamomile may not directly repair vision, its overall health-promoting properties may contribute to general well-being, which can indirectly support eye health over time by promoting relaxation, reducing inflammation, and providing antioxidant support. Chamomile can be a valuable addition to a balanced lifestyle that prioritizes eye health.